to even certain Congress leaders in the past when they have come to them for support. And now he can't turn that around and say we was talking of some moral support. He was obviously talking about political support. So the past and the present political activities of the RSS are becoming very conspicuous. This, Seshadri Chari, is what will give fodder to all those people who are now demanding a clarity, a clear explanation for what appears to have been a surreptitious political role for Nagpur. Give up the surreptitiousness.
Arnab,
give up the surreptitiousness.
Their political activities are becoming conspicuous, but their internal activities have always been transparent, shadowy, sinister.
No, but
we do not know what happens inside those inside Nagpur.
No, but those lines are deniability.
Is there a democracy there?
Okay,
how are decisions taken? How do they come to impact? No. In the first Vajpayee government, Sudarshan at that time, Sarsang Chalak spiked the appointment of Jaswant Singh as finance minister of this country. We all know that. It's as much part of this country's contemporary I think history as anything else. I think they do influence politics all the time.
And Mr. Chari, why should we not ask this question? Because yesterday in the manifesto, suddenly we find one line come in that India will become a natural home for all persecuted Hindus. You exclude all other faiths. That's standard RSS
like Israel.
Line. No, yesterday...
It's like Israel. It's a Zionist line.
So now, you see, even Mr. Nanavati is quiet for a change because he has realized that all these facts, along with Mr. Seshadri Chari's candid confession, amount to a clear example of the RSS running the BJP. If the RSS runs the BJP fights the elections, but the RSS controls it from outside, Seshadri Chari, then how do you fault the Congress party with using the RSS card against you? The ball is now in your court, Mr. Chari.
Arnav, I don't think the ball is going to be in my court for a long time, because you seem to be talking and liking your own voice so much that you asked a question and then after 20 minutes you have come back to me, and I am sure after 20 seconds you are going to interrupt. Anyway, let me tell you something. The RSS Swayamsevaks are citizens of this country. They are, most of them or many of them are taxpayers. They have a voting right, the same right that you and I have. So they are free to decide whom to vote and whom not to vote. Every candidate is free to approach them individually or collectively, and they are free to take decisions. RSS Swayamsevaks can join any political party except two conditions: that the political parties should not have extra constitutional or extra territorial loyalty. Except those parties which profess extra territorial or extra constitutional loyalty, RSS Swayamsevaks can join any party where they are welcome.
No, that's not what you said.
RSS Swayamsevaks can join the Congress also.
But that's not what
I want to tell Mr. Jha that if he requires a dedicated band of Swayamsevaks, he is free to invite RSS Swayamsevaks to join that party also.
No, you didn't say that.
So there is no taboo.
You are now trying to find a way out.
He cannot hold a post.
You are now trying to find a way out.
He cannot hold a post in the political party and also the RSS.
Sir, you are Mr. Chari.
I have clarified my stand.
Yeah, fine. Now, Mr. Chari.
I cannot clarify what you say.
One minute. Just a minute. I have something to say to Mr. Chari. Mr. Chari.
Why was the RSS banned?
No, Mr. Chari. You are a very senior politician.
No, why is that?
You are a very senior politician. You are an even more senior Swayamsevak. You are a man with great erudition, and you are the head of the BJP's foreign affairs cell. I have a tremendous amount of personal regard for you as an intellectual, as a writer, as a thinker. But Mr. Chari, I am also a journalist. And as a journalist, it is my training that, when a person reveals something, I don't brush it over. I believe you revealed the political role of the RSS. When you said we do, even some Congress MPs have come to us. You did not. You are now talking about RSS workers being citizens, taxpayers with a right to vote. Of course. That's a non-starter of a statement. What you said was that politicians come to the RSS in an institutional capacity. So they are coming to the RSS. So you are meaning they are coming to you in an institutional capacity. The lawyer Devang Nanavati agrees with me. They come to you in an institutional capacity. You therefore by logic will offer them institutional support. I am asking you, how does a cultural organization provide institutional political support for any member of parliament or any politician? I'll play that tape. I've got the tape. I've got the tape. I've got the tape.
Now,
I'm going to get the tape.
Put words into my mouth.
No, I'm going to play your tape.
No. Wait. I don't.
I'll play your tape.
Play my tape 100 times as you have played earlier on earlier occasions also.
I'll play the tape. Let's resolve this.
Now,
either I've said something wrong or you've revealed something. Should we play the tape?
Yes, go ahead.
Should we play? I am told by my producer it's a few seconds away. It's a few seconds away. The tape is on its way. Now, did Mr. Seshadri Chari say that politicians come to us for support? We provide it even to Congress MPs. If the RSS is not a political body, why should it entertain any requests for support?
For social work, Karnab.
Social work
for
come
the
on.
society.
MPs come to you for social work. What do they come?
Why
Politicians say environmental work.
Why politicians don't
What
do
social work? Don't use that social
please
card.
play the
Come
tape.
on.
Arnav.
For Prabhat Pheri and Sandhya Vandana.
I am also getting the tape.
Arnav, I am waiting for the tape.
The viewers are waiting for the tape. We are going to play the tape. We have the comment. Should we play it?
You can take a small commercial break if you want.
No, you don't have to. I'll take commercial breaks when I want to. Seshadri Chari says, play the tape. I say, let's play the tape. And here's the tape. This is what Seshadri Chari says. Please watch carefully. This happened 10 minutes back.
I can mention there are a number of Congress people also who are now in the Congress party, but who are very close to the RSS in their constituencies. I know of a few Congress MPs who have got elected in 2009 and who had actually come to the RSS office or contacted some of the RSS persons and requested our help. And maybe we have done it also.
Oh, that's quite clear. I can mention a number of Congress people close to the RSS in their constituencies. No social work, not for
I think we need to know those Congress people also, Arnav.
No, and they got elected in
these Congress people also.
I say reveal the name of the Congress
Why
people.
not?
Reveal the name. Sanjay Jha, should we know the name?
No, I can't.
Should we know which?
Yes.
Reveal the names.
We must know.
I can.
We must know the names
No,
of
we
these
must know the names.
who went to the RSS for help.
Sanjay Jha, which are the Congress MPs who got elected with RSS support?
Sanjay Jha.
I can tell
Sanjay
you, I'm
Jha,
not aware of what he's talking about, but
let
what
us
Mr.
meet.
Chari has confirmed on your program today is that it was meant to be a religious cultural organization. It has been playing an extremely active political role. And because its agenda, Arnav, has always been hardline Hindutva,
No, but he's saying that
obsession. That is
Mr.
what the
Chari
BJP
respond.
is. The BJP
No, not
is the
religious.
political phase.
No, not
but now the
religious.
differentiation
Sanjay,
This cannot happen in a
Sanjay,
meeting.
No, wait, 5 minutes on the debate. Let's end
We need to know the names of those Congress MPs.
Well, let's know
Not
the
a
names.
religious
We need to
organization.
know the names
No,
of those
tell us the
Congress
names.
MPs who went
Mr.
to
Chari
It is not a
claims to have
religious
helped some people. Let
organization.
him
Yes,
tell
we
you
need to know the
another
names.
name.
Yes.
Cultural? No, you didn't say anything cultural.
I think in the
Arnav.
interest
No,
of
you didn't say
transparency,
anything cultural. Devang Nanavati, I'm going to play that again.
We should know the names of these
I'm going to play that bite again.
Not
who got
religious.
elected.
I'm going to play the comment again.
Is that he's
RSS
definitely helping
is-
BJP politicians, which they are not supposed to do. Forget the Congress; they are not supposed to be in any political activity.
See,
But they're
Devang is quiet
openly
now.
and brazenly and in a
Devang has
flagrant
stopped giving
way,
covering fire.
assisting the BJP in a political platform.
Arnav,
That's why it's
Devang-
such a
Devang's covering
violation of
fire has
giving-
stopped.
How many times do you want to repeat?
Sanjay Jha, listen.
Yes, Mr. Chari.
I am again saying it. If you want, you can tape this and play this also throughout the day tomorrow. What I am specifically saying is, RSS Swayamsevaks are free to take part
No,
in
no,
activities.
you didn't say that.
Voting
You
is
didn't say
also
that.
an activity.
No, you didn't. Sabha, did he say that?
Supporting, I am telling you again.
No, I'm playing the tape again. Now you're changing
Supporting a
what you said.
particular candidate supporting a particular candidate to whichever party he may belong.
Seshadri ji,
To whichever party he may belong.
Seshadri ji, you made a very specific reference.
let's
I am not excluding any political
won
party.
2009 elections with RSS help. I am interested to know some of those
कौन है
names
वो?
of Congress MPs who came to you for help and probably won. You
Tell
said
us their
probably
names.
we did it also. But who came? Somebody came.
Who
The
came?
question is that the RSS is therefore
This cannot be
definitely
sorted out.
No, no,
between
because
you and
Sanjay,
Sanjay
because
Jha in a
Sanjay, you
private
realize.
that is
No, no,
given-
Sanjay, you realize
that
this.
is the big
No, no, Sanjay,
concern.
Sanjay, don't change the comment, Sanjay. But point is, look at your
That is
hypocrisy.
a larger issue.
Look at your hypocrisy.
No, no,
Look at your. No, 1 minute, Sanjay. Now don't interrupt me. Look at your hypocrisy.
Sure.
In 1963, Jawaharlal Nehru cordially invites 3,000 Swayamsevaks in uniform to parade down in Republic Day parade. Your Congress MPs, some of them are begging the RSS for support and in fact managed to get elected in 2009 with RSS support. You don't even want to follow up.
Arnab, this is the same RSS that Mr. Jha said.
No, no, and you criticize the RSS.
He said we were banned. We were banned in 1947. Why did Pandit ji invite us in 63?
I did not say begging.
Why did Lal Bahadur Shastri praise us in 65?
I did not say begging.
Arnab, Mr. Chari has made.
Arnab, I
You
did
didn't
not
say
say
begging.
begging.
Fine,
Don't
you
use
said you
these
came.
words.
No, no, okay.
Acting
You
like-
said
No,
didn't begging. You didn't say begging. I am saying. But you said they came to you for support.
Every candidate
They
in
are
this
definitely
country.
helping the BJP.
Arnab, I think-
That is out in the open.
I think by now, Mr. Sanjay Jha of the Congress should have challenged Seshadri Chari to
Sanjay
reveal those
should have
names.
challenged.
I don't know why he is not challenging him.
Sanjay is not challenging because he's embarrassed that the RSS may reveal the names.
I'm telling him it is up to him. I'm telling Mr. Chari that he
Yes,
can
please
name
reveal the
whoever
names now.
he believes.
Come on, Mr. Chari.
But I think there's a bigger issue, Sankarshan, that you cannot
Seshadri
miss.
ji,
The RSS is
naam
now
to
saying
bataiye
they are
na.
definitely helping the BJP political system. That is the biggest
Reveal the
violation
names.
happening around. Let him name who are the
Lal Bahadur Shastri asked RSS for help. That is one congressman.
Who?
Lal Bahadur Shastri asked the RSS to manage the 2009 election. Lal Bahadur Shastri was not contesting election in 2009. Devang.
BJP MPs who won last
Lal Bahadur Shastri.
was not contesting elections
Lal
in
Bahadur
2009.
Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri did not contest the elections in
Did not
2000.
contest
Sabha.
elections in 2009.
Sabha. Now I think. Now I think.
Congressmen have been asking for help.
Sabha's been wanting to say something to Seshadri Chari. Yes, Sabha.
Please name them.
Name them. I
Please
said
name them.
Name them.
We want to know.
I
We are
want to
journalists. We want to know.
congratulate Chari
Who
ji,
are these
who are
Congress
known
people
for
who
so
went
many
to
years.
seek help?
He's a very soft-spoken person. Can I, Chari ji, I congratulate you for being so honest today because you've actually revealed something which many of us know is true. I think in an election like 2009, the RSS sees its role as they would not have seen the BJP having that much of a chance. So they would have supported individuals who they believe would have been better than the other parties at that point. I'm not about Devang's view of history. I have to say I don't know whether it's entertaining or outrageous. You know, because, and Devang, I have a question in complete good humor. I ask you this. Has not Narendra Modi himself prevailed and controlled the RSS in Gujarat? It's been one of the most impressive feats, the way he's dominated over the RSS.
Yeah.
If I understand the situation today,
that's what you
right
feel.
now,
Sabha,
we are not sure
that's
who's
what
going
you
to emerge
feel.
more powerful.
There is no question of dominating. There is no question of dominating and no power struggle in Gujarat, at least to my knowledge. Maybe you know something, you can of course write about
Well,
it.
you know, I
Or may
think
have written
Seshadri
about
Chari
it.
should reveal the names. I think it is in the national interest, and I think Congress party should also know which of its MPs have been elected with RSS support. But Mr. Jha,
Absolutely.
I think-
I think Mr. Chari.
and if
Mr.
the
Chari is free to name them, we challenge him to name them, and more important, Arnab, this is the point that we need to recognize. If according to him, he was willing to help Congress MPs, he definitely was helping the entire BJP political leaders fighting the elections, and that is the serious contravention of what is meant to be a religious cultural organization. I think this is a big expose today, Mr. Chari.
well, I
can't
think
really
it's a
tuck
big
in and avoid it
comment.
anymore.
It's a big comment,
They've
Mr.
always had an organizing
Not religious.
secretary as
Not religious.
It's a very big.
Do you know the meaning of the word expose?
Not
They've always
religious.
sent an organizing secretary.
Now, I'm going to
the
before I
BJP.
wrap
That's
up
not
this
religious.
section, because I think this comment will make news, and I thank him. And very often nowadays everyone
Arnab, are you
says,
going to let the name? Are you going to let this thing end without us knowing the names?
Well,
This is so important.
I can ask 82 questions
need
to
to know
Mr.
the
Chari and try and see if he'll reveal the name. He has decided not to. It is for the Congress party and the others, if they are interested, to find out which of their MPs were elected with RSS support. But because I have been called enough names, my question is simply this. I think without any interpretation to the issue,
I have to say,
I will play out
very discreet.
I will play out today Seshadri Chari's comment. In my view, this is a very big admission, and Mr. Chari, I can assure you, everyone's eyes and their television mics are going to be with you tomorrow morning to ask you to reveal the names of the people who you support. And this is what you said, which has become so controversial. Seshadri Chari.
Arnav, as long as the election commission does not intervene, you can play this tape every day till the last election.
No, I will not play.
That will be a very great help to the political discourse in this country.
You did not tell us the names. It is very disappointing. As a journalist, I feel I have failed in not getting the names out of you today, but I shall try. I shall keep trying.
We will try. That's what we do as journalists. Thank you very much. This is the comment of Seshadri Chari, which I have no doubt is going to make headlines in the next 24 hours as well. This is what he said before I hit the break.
I can mention there are a number of Congress people also who are now in the Congress party, but who are very close to the RSS in their constituencies. I know of a few Congress MPs who have got elected in 2009 and who had actually come to the RSS office or contacted some of the RSS persons and requested our help, and maybe we have done it also.